Hi everyone, I'm Krista, teacher of crystal healing classes as well as holistic healer, and I wanted to let all of you know that I'm teaching a very special live and interactive online crystal healing class on February the 6th at 9 o'clock a.m. Pacific time. Our topic for this class is becoming prosperous and vibrant with citrine crystal. So I would love to tell you a little bit more about what you will learn in this class. In this class, you will learn how to become prosperous and vibrant with citrine, learning how to release negative attitudes about money that have been limiting your prosperity. You'll also learn how to boost your happiness factor to be bright and vibrant so that you can raise your vibration to have and create what you want in your life, to be infused with that beautiful creative power to create success in your life. You will also learn how to become prosperous as a way of being so that you can attract prosperity into your life. So that includes prosperity in terms of money, but that can include prosperity of having really good friendships and more friends in your life, or more work opportunities or creative projects, attracting all types of prosperity into your life. You will also learn how to release jealousy towards other people's successes and their prosperity, because holding on to that jealousy brings your vibration down and it creates a blockage when you try to create abundance and prosperity and success in your life. It makes it harder to create that because you're holding that heavy energy. So you'll learn how to release that. Also, you will learn how to shift out of poverty consciousness into prosperity consciousness by releasing those negative beliefs and attitudes that you have about prosperity, abundance, and money. You'll learn how to cultivate gratitude and appreciation in your life to open up the flow of those energies, which will also open up the flow of prosperity. When you're in that place of gratitude and appreciation, life works better, things flow more. You're able to attract better success and prosperity into your life and create that success and prosperity for you as well. And in this class, you'll learn how to boost joy, optimism, vibrancy to attract prosperity and abundance into your life. When you're holding those bright energies of joy, vibrancy, optimism, you become like a magnet, attracting beautiful situations, beautiful people to you, success to you, attracting prosperity to you, just like a magnet, all of those beautiful energies to you. So I invite you all to come to this class, to gather together, to meet other crystal lovers from all over the world, hear each other, see each other, connect with each other, do these beautiful healing techniques with each other to raise our vibrations and create this beautiful success in your life and to create healing magic. So for this class, you can work with citrine, either natural citrine or heat-treated citrine. So I want to show you some pieces that I have, and I'll show you the difference. So here's a piece of natural citrine. So here we have it. It's holding lots of beautiful light. It's very bright, this crystal. So this is where natural citrine occurs when the earth is forming that citrine. It's actually natural occurring in the earth, and the earth is producing that. So that's natural citrine. Here's another huge piece of citrine. This is really big. Here we go. So this is another piece of citrine that I have. It's quite heavy. As you can see, it's a very gentle yellow color. The other one was also gentle yellow. Okay, let me just hold them together side by side. So this one is holding a lot of translucent light in it. It's very translucent, sparkly. This one is more opaque, but also really beautiful. This big piece has lots of beautiful rainbows inside it as well. So I really love this piece very much. So that's natural occurring citrine. Heat treated citrine is where in the lab they take amethyst and they heat it up to a certain temperature and then it turns into citrine. So this is heat treated citrine in the lab. And as you can see, it has a deeper yellow color, okay? And usually heat-treated citrine, when you see points like this or a cluster of heat-treated citrine, it's usually like the top points are more yellow and the base is more white, more of a quartz there. Now, this has also a beautiful healing vibration, even though it's heat-treated. This stone, this crystal, can work really well for this online crystal healing class as well. Here is a tumbled stone of heat-treated citrine. Okay, so here's a tumbled stone here, this one here. You can see together, again, it has a brighter, more vibrant yellow color. So if I hold up the two, this is natural citrine, heat-treated citrine, you can see the difference in color. Sometimes the heat-treated citrine can also look a deep amber color. and looks more of a browny yellow color. So it will even be darker heat treated citrine as well. So any of these types of citrine you can work with in this healing class. So you can work with the natural citrine, heat treated citrine, you can work with a tumbled stone, a rough piece, a point, any of those will work. So I really invite you to come to class, to gather together, to learn these beautiful healing techniques to create prosperity, vibrant energy in your life, and to create success. So you can register for the class through my website, learncrystalhealing.com, or my other website, kristalyn.ca. So may you enjoy the rest of this beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in class. I would also like to know, do you have citrine crystal in your crystal collection? Is it natural crystal? Is it natural formed, the citrine, or is it heat treated citrine? Please leave your comments in the comments below. I would love to know which type of citrine you have in your crystal collection and what you really love about it. So please leave your comments below. I would love to hear about that. So may you enjoy the rest of this beautiful day. Lots of light, love, and blessings to you. And I look forward to seeing you in class. Namaste.